Floor jacks, also referred to as jack posts, are designed with features to make remodeling and repair projects easier and deliver more professional results. They're intended for use as temporary or secondary supports, never as primary or permanent supports. They are widely adjustable, very versatile, and easy to install. Here's how. Floor jacks can be used permanently as secondary support along with the approved primary support. Each jack post consists of a larger diameter post and a smaller diameter post that slips inside it. Carriage bolts and nuts that hold them together at various lengths, an adjusting screw with flush fitting, self-centering adjusting nut, and 2 self-centering steel plates for header and footer. Our example is for a heavy-duty load as additional support for a sagging floor. To install, place one of the plates flat side down on the floor or footing. Insert the smaller diameter tube inside the larger one. Make sure the end with the holes is inserted. Lift the larger diameter tube up and line up the holes in the outside and inside tubes to provide the tallest total post height for the project at hand. Insert the 2 carriage bolts through the posts so the heads are 90 degrees from each other, and secure them with the acorn nuts. Turn the round nut to the end of the adjusting screw. Insert the adjustment screw and nut into the small diameter tube so the flange on the nut is flush with the tube. Next, place the adjusting screw tip into the center hole of the bottom floor plate. Now place the second plate on top of the large tube with the flat side against the support beam. Use an adjustable wrench to turn the adjusting nut and snug the top plate into position under the load to be jacked. Make sure the post is firmly centered under the load-bearing beam and vertically plumb. Then secure the plates at top and bottom with proper fasteners, nails, screws, or bolts. To correct sagging floors, place a wood beam across the sagging joists and hold it in place with 2 jack posts. Adjust the jacks 1/2 turn each week for several weeks. When using jack posts in a lifting application, be sure to consult a licensed engineer to determine safe allowable loads. For optimal support under heavy loads, install with larger diameter tube and plate at the top and the smaller tube with adjusting screw on the bottom. For shorter heights, just flip the jack.